Hi guys, welcome to another video where I'm presenting super tools and cool apps that we can use in our small to medium businesses. And this time I got Yaren here. Yaren, did I say your name right? From,
Yeah.
yeah, cool. From Jotforms, which is a platform that I use all the time for different types of forms that I send out, whether I'm recruiting employees or sending it out to clients when I'm on vacations, stuff like that. I use it for all sorts of implementations. And Yaren was kind enough to give us some of her time to present us the power Jotform has and how it can help us in our everyday lives as business owners.
Hi, thank you, Hemi. Hi, everyone. This is Yara from Jotform channel team. So I just created a slideshow for you. Let me share it. Let's start with what is Jotform. Jotform is a full-featured online form builder and makes it easy to create forms and collect important data. And you don't have to know any coding while using Jotform. And it is trusted by over 16 million users worldwide, such as nonprofits, educational institutions, small businesses, enterprises. And here you can see some of our users, like Ford, Adobe, Red Bull.
A few small
And
companies.
yeah, so let's continue with Jotform products. Jotform Form Builder, our main product. As you know, you can create online forms with Jotform with its simple drag and drop use. You can start from scratch. You can see there are ready to go templates we have, or you can import your form from another website into Jotform Form Builder, and you can edit your form. In Form Builder, you can in build section, you can edit your form, add elements like email address or text, product list. And in payment section, you can integrate payments with our more than 25 payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe. And in widgets, you can include widgets into your form like e-signature or form calculation, etc. As you can see from here. You can also edit the elements, like as you can see. You can change question text. You can change options. You can change the style of your form in build section. And in settings section, you see form settings. Like you can change your form name. You can change the language. You can send email after you receive a submission via your form. You can create conditions. You can create thank you page and also customize this thank you page. You can integrate with our more than 100 integration. And when you want to publish your form, you have a copy link, or you can invite people by email. You can share on your socials. You can embed your copy code into another websites like WordPress. You can assign email, or you can integrate with third-party publish options we have. Basically, Form Builder is like that.
So it's a
Uh,
simple drag and drop. Basically, everybody who ever used Wix, for example, can use,
yes,
because it's a simple drag and drop. You can build your own form and then you can send it out basically anywhere. You can integrate it with basically anything. And you can send it to your clients to sign it on the spot. You can take payments from it and book meetings like we booked this actual Zoom call is from a Jot form. So a lot of options, a lot of ways to implement it in our daily business lives, basically. What else can you tell us?
mm, yes. Actually, you don't need to create any form. I mean, we have more than 10,000 ready to go templates. You can just go to jotform.com and create your account and choose a template according to your business, and you can just publish it with your link. That's
Yeah,
all. You don't need to know anything.
just translate it to Hebrew and you're good to go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Let's continue with Jotform tables. We do have tables product. And you can, again, three options in Jotform tables. You can start from scratch. You can use our templates, or you can import like Google Sheets or other tables that you created in other sites. You can import them into Jotform tables. And in here I use, sorry, I'm just a little nervous.
It's okay.
Here I use a template for a class attendance sheet. And here in that table, you can change all tabs and you can add new tabs. You can redesign your ready-to-go templates like you did in Jotform Form Builder. And you can publish it while your code, while your copy link, and you can embed other websites with your code. Also, you can integrate your forms with Jotform tables. I think that's all for Jotform tables.
Cool. So I basically used it a few times, especially the dashboards and the way that I can see the flow, because when I got, let's say, when I'm getting new employees for my business, I use Jotforms all the time. I send out form, people will fill it up, and then I can see who is more relevant to the job and who is less relevant. I can do like a certain hierarchy, like who's extra stars, a little bit less stars, so I can see who's rating. And then I go for the highest rating first and then go back. So this makes me much more productive when I'm hiring people. This is my main use for it, but you can use it in many, many ways. You can also get clients from those forms, and then you can change like the star rating on each client who is more relevant or less relevant based on the answers that he gave you on your form. So I use it all the time, and this is a really cool feature.
Yeah, happy to hear that from our users. So we have Jotform approval product, and you can create approval processes. I mean, we mostly use it in our HR department while getting new people, while hiring new people or in Jotform. You can create your approval process simply by you click create approval, and we also have ready-to-go templates in approval. You just scroll down and choose whichever template you'd like to go according to your industry. And in approval, like as you can see, we choose a template, and we can edit our templates. Like we can add basic elements, email, approval, sign, PDF, if else conditions, and we can edit approval steps. Like if you'd like to send an email to your clients, if they got approved, you can customize this email from here in advanced section. Or if you'd like to send email to another person, I mean, you approved, you send an email to your client that they got approved, and also you'd like to send email to a third person to inform them about the approval process, you can also make them from here. In settings section, you can change your approval flow title, you can change the status. And in publish section, again, it is same like other Jotform products. You just copy your link or invite email or share on your socials or embed on other web pages. It is actually the same with other Jotform products, the publish part.
That's so very cool. I actually didn't use that feature, but it's really cool.
Yeah, and again, we have third-party publish option. So this is Jotform approval. And we have Jotform report builder. You can create your reports with Jotform report builder. As you can see here, this is a ready-to-go template again. But you can customize it with your own products or with your own needs. You can add any reports, like you can add basic elements like text section and shapes or other icons, etc. You can basically add them with simple drag and drop use. Again, you don't need to know any coding. And there are form fields, email, contact number, shipping address. You can also add them into your report and customize your graphics like pie, donut, column, etc. And then you're ready to go. You just click on publish button, publish section, and you just send your link, or you can use your code to embed in other websites.
That's cool.
You can also download and preview your report.
That's awesome.
So,
what else? What else do you have for us?
yeah. What else do we have? We have App Builder. You can create your own web app with Jotform. As you can see here, this is again a template. And here you can add your products in your app, and you can integrate payments, etc. You can create your own store. You can create your own app with Jotform App Builder. And in settings, you can change your app name or icon, as you can see. And you can change your app settings, like languages, as you said. And in publish section, it is the same as others. You can just copy your link, invite by email. Also, we have QR code for Jotform App Builder. You can use QR code for people to use your website. And in App Builder, we just launched a new product like a month ago. It is Jotform Store Builder. You basically create your own store with Jotform Store Builder, and it's basic, simple drag and drop use. You just put your products and design your web app, and you are ready to go. You basically have a store web app with Jotform Store Builder like in a minute.
Yeah, could you publish it on the App Store, like iPhone App Store and Android?
No, actually, this is a web app. I mean, you can you create your app store in Jotform App Builder, and you have a web app. It is like you can see it on your homepage, an icon.
Oh, okay.
But
with a
but
link
it is
with the
not.
URL.
Yeah, you just click on the like it seems like an app. You just click on it, and it redirects you to your store.
Yeah, cool.
To a web page.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah. So we have more than 10,000 ready to go templates. As you can see my previous slides, I used our templates, and you just go to jotform.com and templates and choose whichever you'd like to go according to your industry, according to your client's needs. I mean, we have lots of templates there. It's so easy to find something for you, for your business. As you can see here, we have different templates for all of our products. And we do have more than 1,000 integrations and features. Like we have our forms are HIPAA compliant. I mean, you can use in medical industry in Jotform with HIPAA compliant without worrying about the security side. And we have integrations for CRM, for payments. We have more than 100 integrations. As you can see, PayPal, Slack, Monday.com, Stripe, Zoom. And you can also find them on Jotform.com.
Of course. It's awesome.
Yeah. Also, let me just talk about pricing.
Yep. Important.
With free accounts, you can try all Jotform products with a limited access. Like you have 5 form limits or 100 monthly submission. And HIPAA compliance is not available in starter and bronze plans. You need to have silver plan to have HIPAA compliance. So yeah, basically you can try all Jotform products with a free account, but you need to pay for a plan to get more access. And again, for HIPAA compliance, you need to have at least silver account. This is our monthly plans, and this is our yearly plans.
Got it. People could check them out. One thing that I want to say here that's the most important part for the free starter kit, notice that you got the Jotform branding on your form. So if you don't want the Jotform branding and you want your own branding, you have to start with the bronze at first. But you want to check out the system and start working with it before you commit to buying it. It's a great place to start, and they got tons of feature. Everything is open for free. 5 forms is more than enough to check the system out.
And lastly, let me just talk about our partnership programs just quickly.
Sure.
We have three partnership programs: solutions partner, affiliate partnership, and integration partnership. If you're agency and consultant of all sizes and want to help your clients, I think a solutions partner program would be better for you. And if you are a content creator and social media influencer who have large audiences like Hemi, affiliate partnership would be better for you. And if you would like to increase your productivity with an integration with Jotform, integration partnership would be the answer for your question, I guess. And that's all from Jotform. You can learn more from our website, jotform.com.
Perfect. Yeah, and thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for the slide and the presentation. I'd love for you to send it to me so I can do another video in Hebrew for the guys in Israel about it. And any last words? Do you want to add anything else besides the slide itself?
Thank you so much for having me in your channel.
Thank you.
I love your videos.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I hope you guys got a lot of value, and I will put all the links to Jotforms down below, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.